Hi, I'm going to talk about using our Micro Ranger 2 system for tracking ROVs. First of all, let's talk about the nano transponder. You get 8 hours of operation time at a 1-second update rate, and you get 2 in the box, which means you can be using one whilst recharging the other. Alternatively, you can use our cabled nano, which allows you to use the power from the ROV if required. The Micro Ranger 2 system comes in a highly portable IP67 Pelly case, which as you can see is hand luggage size, making it really easy to mobilise anywhere. You get a lot of capability for that small size. You can track it up to 500 metres deep and the slant range is at close to 1,000. This makes Micro Ranger 2 suitable for a wide range of applications, from hull inspections to seabed sciences and search operations. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then please get in touch, and please remember to subscribe and like this video.